Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be talking about Magic Write in Canva. I'm sure most of you have heard about Magic Write. It's something that Canva has introduced in the docs section here, Canva docs. Now, if you go to the Canva homepage, there will be a link in the description below, and it's free for everyone to use. So if you go to the Canva homepage, you should see this icon here that says Canva Doc. Now you click on it and you will have these two here. It says the doc and docs to decks. So today we'll be doing doc. So you just click on that and this is what's going to happen. It's going to come up with a page like this. You see the plus icon. You can either click the plus icon and choose Magic Write, okay, or you can do a slash and then the options come up and you click Magic Write. So now we will click the plus icon and we'll click Magic Write. Okay, and this little dialog box will come up and you can type in whatever you want. So for today's tutorial, let's type in 5 tips how to make money online. Okay, right here, and you just hit enter. Just wait a few minutes. Sorry, just wait a few seconds, and it's going to come up with these 5 tips. So start a blog or website. You can create a blog or website, etc., etc. Affiliate marketing, freelance work, and it explains to you what it is. And then it says sell your products or services, investing in stocks, bonds. Now, these are the suggestions that Canva Magic Write has come up with. Now there is, if you read here, it says generated with AI using canva.com/Magic Write. This technology is new and improving. Please check the accuracy before sharing. Sorry. So you do need to have to check whether it's grammatically correct, and that goes for all AI programs out there. It's not just this. Now for now they've given you, if you look at it, it says start a blog, affiliate marketing, freelance work, sell your products or services, and investing. So let's 5 tips on how to make money online. So let's see if it comes up with the same thing or something else or something different really. There are some that is different. Some is just expanded on it a little bit more. It says start an online business, setting up a website. So it's similar to selling, offering your products and services. Create and sell digital products, take online surveys, invest in stocks and cryptocurrency. Now before it was if I'm not mistaken, stocks and shares. So now they've added cryptocurrency. Now let's do something else. Okay, something that's a bit different. So for now, let's ask it a question. So you click on it again and ask them, what is climate change? And let's see what it says. Climate change is the long-term shift in global or regional climate patterns. It is caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, which trap heat and lead to an overall warming of the planet. This can cause shifts in weather patterns, increased temperatures, and other changes in our environment. Now, this is good. This is really good if you have a blog and you want to talk about climate change and you don't know exactly how to word things and you have points, you just have points and you don't know how to put it together. Well, this has given you an idea. Now, we can expand on that. You don't have to delete it. You can then ask for, let's say, something like 5 tips on how to help with with climate change. And it says reduce energy consumption in your home by turning off lights and unplugging electronics when not in use. Choose sustainable transportation options like walking, biking, etc. Shop locally, cut down on food waste, and support organizations and politicians. So it does come up with a list of what you ask for. Now let's try something else. Let's try something that's totally different. Slash and bring up Magic Write. Say, how do I bake a cake? There you go. Baking a cake is fun, and it tells you when to preheat your oven, prepare your cake pans. It gives you 350 degrees, usually 350 degrees. You know, in a large bowl, mix together the dry ingredients, etc., etc. Now, if you notice here, it hasn't given you the specific measurements. So let's ask it, okay, what is specific. So now there's something that is, if we just ask what are the specific measurements for a 9-inch cake. Now, I've just given a general what are the specific measurements. I did not say measurements of the ingredients, you see. So let's see how it's going to come up with that. So if I say what what are the specific me meas measurements of measurements for the ingredient. Let's see what it comes up with when I ask for specific measurements for the ingredients. So if you see here, it gives you the 4 to 5 cups of cake batter. So because I just said specific measurements, it assumed that I was going to use cake batter, so which is already prepared. So if you ask specifically what are the measurements for the ingredients, it'll give you 1/2. So you need to be more specific. Now if you look here, it comes up in a paragraph. So let's do something else. Let's say list the specific measurements for the ingredients of a 9-inch cake. Now if you do this, what happens is it will list it out for you. And in fact, it has even given you options. It says half cup chopped nuts or dried fruit, a quarter cup cocoa powder for a chocolate cake. So it's quite good. It's obviously going out there and looking at all the data that it has been programmed and coming up with this. So you can ask it anything. Now let's again change it up. So let's delete all of this. And now let's ask it, um, let's go to right. Let's say, are there alien life forms in the universe other than Earth? Let's see what it says. That's a great question. While there's no definitive evidence that alien life forms exist elsewhere in the universe, many scientists and astronomers believe that it is highly likely given the vastness of the universe. Although we have not yet discovered any evidence of alien life, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, we may one day find evidence that alien life forms exist, but until then, we will just have to keep searching. Oh, that's an interesting paragraph. So let's ask it one more question, which is, when will the world end? That is a difficult question to answer. The world is a complex and ever evolving system, so it's hard to predict when it might end. However, many scientists believe that the world will continue for a long time to come with no foreseeable end in sight. So let me ask you to expand on that. Will planet Earth one day die? It's difficult to say for sure whether planet Earth will one day die or not. It is possible that the Earth will eventually become uninhabitable due to various environmental factors such as severe climate change or a lack of resources. However, this could take millions of years to happen. So for now, our planet is still alive and thriving. Here you go. So you've got a few answers here. So you can ask it anything you want. Let's ask it another question that which profession is likely to stand the test of time? I believe that professions that require a specialized skill set, such as medical professionals, technicians, and engineers, are likely to stand the test of time. These professions are always in demand and require a certain level of expertise that can't be easily replaced. Additionally, areas such as teaching, law enforcement, and construction are also likely to remain important in the future. There you have it, folks. The AI has spoken. But let me ask another question, which is, will robots take over the world one one day? And it says, while there are certainly some dystopian stories that feature robots taking over the world, it's highly unlikely that robots will ever be powerful enough to take control of the world. Robots are incredibly advanced and useful tools, but they lack the human ability to think, reason, and make decisions in unpredictable situations. In addition, robots are programmed to follow instructions, so unless they're given instructions to take control of the world, it is unlikely to happen. Now, you may or may not agree with that because you know, they are making very great progress with robots right now. And let's say what it says about, uh, tell me something interesting about Elon Musk. Now, I had to ask that because I asked the question about the robots. Elon Musk Elon Musk is an incredibly innovative and successful entrepreneur. He's the founder and CEO and CTO of SpaceX, the founder of Tesla, Inc., and the founder of the Boring Company. He has also been involved in several other ventures, including PayPal, SolarCity, and OpenAI. He's also one of the most influential figures in modern science and technology. He has been credited with revolutionizing the automotive, space exploration, and energy industries. Musk has a strong commitment to sustainable energy production and reducing global warming. He has also been an advocate for the development of artificial intelligence as a beneficial tool for humanity. Now, I have to ask this. Do you consider Elon Musk your mentor? I believe Elon Musk is an inspirational leader and innovator, and I always appreciate his creative and forward thinking approach. However, I'm not sure if I consider him to be my mentor. Nevertheless, I admire his accomplishments and strive to learn from his example of hard work and dedication. There you go, folks. So, as you see, Magic Write is a brilliant tool, but again, it's a tool, so you do have to check for accuracy, but it's a good starting point for inspiration for you to, if you have a blog, or if you need a little bit more information about somebody. But for now, this is a brilliant tool. It's free to use. You can use it and use it for inspiration. Do not copy and paste it, because it's going to be similar with many others, because this particular one is still evolving. So like just now when we checked for the, like, for example, we checked for how to make money online. Now there was a lot that was similar. So do not copy and paste. If you need to, you can, do it again and then go to another free program like Spinbot or Quillbot, and, you know, um, do a rewrite of the whole thing. But if you want to do a rewrite, the best way to do it is, if you're going to look for 5 tips on how to make money online, look for 20 tips first and then rewrite it. Go to another program like Spinbot or Quillbot, and there's so many others out there. These are free programs, and I will leave a link to it in the description. These are free programs, and then once you get rewrite it, then with the 20 tips, you scale it down. You bring it down to 5 tips, and you use the 5 tips, and you change it up. So for another, if you're doing blogs, another post could be the next 5 tips, or do another search for it, because there may be something else new that comes up. So I hope you like this. Please do like and subscribe and comment, and tell me what you would like to see more of. Okay, bye.